Hi everyone, Amy here, and I have a little haul video from A Cherry on Top. If you aren't familiar, they are an awesome craft store in Michigan. I haven't been in person, but they do have a brick and mortar building, I believe. I usually order online, and they always have great discounts and sometimes free shipping as a discount. But a great small business, and I hope to get there in person someday, but in the meantime I've been ordering online. So I'm going to show you what I got here. It's not a huge haul, but I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, I got it wrapped up here. I'm going to set it aside. Now the main thing that I got, and I'm very excited about this. Look, more Catherine Pooler inks. So the Luxe collection, which is part of the Party collection, it's usually separated by Party collection or what's the other one? Why can't I think of it? Here's the Spa collection. So there's Spa collection and there's Party collection, and this Luxe just came out. It had to have been relatively soon. I didn't realize it came out. My friend Marcy told me, and I had to get them immediately. But I wait for them to come out in the mini ink pads. This is my preference. I buy the re-inkers at the same time that I buy the pads. And then I have them ready to refill just because they are smaller in size. But I keep them in the boxes just because it's convenient for me for storage. But yes, this is how I collect them. And this is the new Luxe. So this has Cranberry Fizz, Flame, Glitz, Martini, Deck the Halls, Uptown, Dress Blues, and Glam. So excited about this Glam because I know it goes beautifully with this Flirty Fuchsia, which is like my favorite. It's my signature color right there, that fuchsia. So yeah, and you can also print these off online. I actually have like a little brad in it. You can print it off and spin it around. It'll help you with color theory. But there's one for the Party collection, one for the Spa collection, and then also on the website, this is direct on the Catherine Pooler website, you can print off all of the like swatch sheets and things like that. So again, this is the main reason for my purchase. I wasn't intending on another order right now, but when I realized these came out, I had to get them right away because you guys know I just wait for the minis. Gotta have the minis. Okay, then the couple other things that I got are from Lawn Fawn. So this shop, A Cherry on Top, has all different brands, like tons of stock. And this was just too cute. So you're the zest, squeeze the day. You can put all these little faces, and these are always super cheap. They're always like, I don't know, like $3 or $4 or something. And you can get the coordinating dies too, but this to me isn't hard to fussy cut out. But I'm a sucker for these little stamp sets every now and again because they're always funny little puns and things like that. So super cute. Okay, and then the only other item I got is another Lawn Fawn item, and it's another big old die. So it's one piece, you can see here, hooray. So this would be a really nice substantial sentiment on the front of an A2 size card. Yeah, super excited. I have the happy birthday one, so this could be for, you know, any congratulations or birthday or anything. So you guys know I love my big imposing dies, so this would be really cool to cut out of pattern paper and use some of that up, or maybe a background that you don't like that much. Or you could do like dry embossing on it, like die cut it out and then emboss it through one of your embossing folders. So lots of fun things you could do when you have a big standalone die like that. So that's it today. Not a whole lot, but very exciting for me. I'm excited to swatch these out and bring them into my collection with all the other beautiful Catherine Pooler inks. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.